Respected Speaker, sir, I stand today to support a motion of the House. Democracy has failed in India. Speaker, sir, democracy promises justice, equality, and liberty. It claims to be a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. But today, I argue that this promise has remained largely unfulfilled in India, especially when we look in the burning situation of Manipur. Speaker, sir, for over a year now, Manipur has been reeling under ethnic violence between Meitei and Kuki-Jaw communities. Thousands have been displaced, homes, villages, and churches have been burnt, and yet the Indian state has failed to restore peace. The institutions of democracy, the parliament, the judiciary, the police, and the media have been shockingly silent, inactive, or biased. Speaker, sir, here I want to come up with two questions. Respected opposition party, please note down these questions. I hope you will give the answers. Question number one: where is democracy when citizens live in refugee camps in their own state? Question number two: where is justice when rapes, murders, and arson go unpunished? The Chief Minister of Manipur continues in power despite being clearly unable to bring order. The Prime Minister for months remained silent, refusing even to acknowledge the crisis. This is not a sign of functioning democracy. It is the sign of a democratic failure. Moreover, the internet ban in Manipur, lasting for months, violated the people's rights to information and expressions. It shows how easily democratic rights are suspended in the name of security. Speaker, sir, India's democracy seems to be in crisis is due to the media and press, which in virtually every form is under censorship and control of the ruling government. On the 19th August 2023, leading news outlet based in north of India had been blocked by the country's government, making their websites and social media pages inaccessible to the public. Speaker, sir, another example here is in the year 2019. The central government stripped Jammu and Kashmir of its status as a state and reorganized it into two federally governed union territories. Converting a state into union territories is a move that concentrates in power of the central government and undermines the federation and the representative democracy. This is the erosion of democracy, fall of democracy in India. Speaker, sir, as Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the father of the Indian Constitution, once warned, democracy is the only top district in an Indian soil, which is essentially undemocratic. If feared that without justice and equality in a society, democracy would collapse. Sadly, that fear has come true. Beyond Manipur, we see the symptoms of democratic failure everywhere. Crackdown on journalists and activists who speak the truth, corruption and vote buying during elections, caste and religious violence being ignored or even encouraged by those in power, opposition leaders being jailed, and laws like UAPA and citizens being misused. If democracy means freedom, safety, equality, and accountability, then India is no longer truly democratic. Speaker, sir, yes, we still vote, but voting alone does not make a democracy. When people are denied dignity, safety, and a voice, democracy has failed. Speaker, sir, in conclusion, I do not say that democracy is a bad system, but I do say with evidence from Manipur and across the country that democracy as practiced in India has failed its people. It has failed to uphold its core principles. The need of the hour is not blind pride but honest reflection. Thank you.